Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is the 9th video in the series, and today we got a little DURATECH tool haul, I guess you could call it. And we got a DURATECH 11-in-1. I'm used to 10-in-1s, but the only difference is this. The barrel on most of them is 5/16 both ends. This one's got 5/16, 3/8, and both of these are a quarter. Going either end. One's bigger. It goes in the 3/8 end. The insides are both a quarter. And the normal, we got the big and little Phillips, or big Phillips and flathead. Got the big ones, got the little ones. Here you got the squares, 2 sizes. You actually will use the squares because some electrical panels have them on the doors and stuff. And Phillips that's kind of worn out, a lot of times a square will work on it. And you got 2 Torx. So when you put it all together, that's 11 different things. Let me set this down and put it back together now. And there, it's all back together. And we got a 4-piece pick set. You know, it's the normal 4-piece pick set. Everybody makes it. Probably one company makes them all, but everybody's got one. Let's get to the price, because DURATECH has good prices. This was on sale for $9.99. And the pick set was $14.99. Or is it backwards? I might have that backwards, but in the description I'll see what it is. But one's $14.99, the other was $9.99. They were on a pretty good sale, so if you work in a factory, you love 10-in-1. So I really love 11-in-1 because that 3/8 will help. And we'll see how they do. I might buy another one of those just to have. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching.